Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel. We're back with a new video. Since its humble beginnings in 2008, Bitcoin has taken investors and the rest of the world on a wild ride. In just over a decade, the first cryptocurrency has spiked and crashed, rallied and fallen, and then spiked again, on its way to tens of thousands of dollars. In today's video, we'll learn more about the history of Bitcoin. Now, let's get started. Bitcoin arose from the turmoil of the 2008 Great Recession, as people became increasingly skeptical of banks and their role in the financial system. Satoshi Nakamoto, an individual or group of people, published a white paper to address the centralized control of money and the trust required in handling citizens' cash. The blockchain was officially launched on January 3, 2009, when the first block, known as the Genesis block, was mined. The first test transaction occurred about a week later. For the first few months, it was only available to miners validating the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin had no monetary value at the time. The first economic transaction would take more than a year, when a Florida man negotiated to have 2 Papa John's pizzas worth $25 delivered for 10,000 BTC on May 22, 2010. That transaction effectively established Bitcoin's initial real-world price or value at 4 Bitcoins per penny. In today's world, that amount of Bitcoin is worth nearly $400 million. To honor this defining moment, cryptocurrency enthusiasts and supporters have labeled May 22nd as Pizza Day. Bitcoin's history has largely been one of astronomical growth, punctuated by a few sharp price drops. Bitcoin's price surpassed the $1 mark in February 2011. It experienced its first bubble in June 2011, rising to around $31 before falling back into the single digits. Almost 2 years later, in April 2013, Bitcoin reached $200. It was worth more than $1,000 by the end of November of the same year. It then increased to $10,000 in November 2017, before peaking at nearly $68,990 in November 2021. That's not to say it was an easy ride. As a result of these developments, the Bitcoin market has become relatively mature. There are smart and efficient exchanges, and core institutional-grade players are taking the necessary steps to create a sustainable and viable market for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency trading. The identity of Bitcoin's creator remains unknown. Nobody knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is, or was before now. It's a topic not only for debate but also for speculation and, perhaps unavoidably, conspiracy theories. While Bitcoin is still maturing as a store of value and unit of account, cryptocurrencies have largely dispelled the notion that money isn't money unless it's accepted as payment for taxes. Innovative, cost-effective, and transparent investment vehicles are becoming a reality, making cryptocurrency investing even more accessible. This access would be comparable to that of traditional markets. That's it for the video, guys. If you found it useful, please like and share the video. Comment down to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for more useful and informative crypto videos. Till then, peace out.